Just imagine for a moment that the world around you is brimming with potential, unseen whispers, hidden stories just waiting to be unlocked. And then picture a key, not crafted from metal, but light itself. A portal woven from black and white squares, ready to transport you beyond the physical and into the boundless realm of the digital. It's the world in itself. This, my friends, is the magic of the QR code. With one scan, you can literally unlock a treasure trove of experiences, blurring the lines between what you see and what you can become. Hi, I'm Margot from Uniqode, formerly known as Beacon Stack, and if you are ready to turn curiosity into clarity, then let's go ahead and dive right in. Let me take you through some more practical use cases of how you can use QR codes for offline and online engagements. Number 1. Connect through images and stickers. Turn visuals interactive. Add QR codes to pictures, murals, or posters, linking viewers to extra info, websites, or social media. Craft custom stickers. Stick QR stickers on laptops, notebooks, and street art. Scanners instantly access your portfolio, music, or any cool content. Number 2, connect through PDFs and documents. Ditch those long links. Embed QR codes into PDFs. One scan takes readers directly to detailed content, and it saves them a lot of time and clicks. For example, for all my artists out there, you can add a QR code to your street mural, linking to a video of your creative process, or maybe print a QR code onto promotional materials for direct access to your latest episode. Number 3. Connect through videos and audio. Skip the search. Make QR codes for YouTube channels, Spotify playlists, or Apple Music links. Scan and then start listening or watching instantly. So, for example, you can display a QR code at the end of your videos to encourage subscriptions. Musicians can actually print stickers with QR codes that lead to your Spotify playlist. Number 4, through print materials. That's right, things like pamphlets and flyers. QR codes on printed material whisk scanners to registration pages, product demos, or online offers. Seamless transition from print to digital. Billboards. Transform static ads into interactive experiences with billboards. Scan the QR code on a billboard in order to access more information, exclusive deals, or interactive content. So, for example, retailers can include QR codes on product tags in order to link to online reviews and demonstrations. Number 5, connect through app downloads. Fast track installs. Generate QR codes for your app and slap them on ads, posters, or anywhere you want. Scan and download in a flash. You can display a QR code in your game trailer to drive app installs, or place QR codes on gym equipment in order to link to your workout app. Number 6, connect through social media. Grow your tribe. Create QR codes linked directly to your social profiles. Stick them on business cards, on posters, or even online. Easy scan, instant follow. For example, small businesses can print QR codes on business cards in order to connect with customers on social media. Or you can display a QR code at your event in order to encourage social media sharing and engagement. Number 7, connect through product packaging. Level up your product. Add QR codes to the packaging. Scanners unlock exclusive content, tutorials, or discounts, and it makes your product even more legendary. Include QR codes in product manuals for troubleshooting videos and FAQs. Also, you can place QR codes on food labels in order to provide recipes and nutritional information. Love that. And guess what? Uniqode makes it even better. That's right. Update QR code destinations without reprints. No reprints. Analyze scan locations and optimize your campaigns. Craft branded QR codes with logos, colors, and CTAs. Enterprise-grade security protects your data and your users. And effortless integrations with popular apps and services. And there you have it, folks. Uniqode, formerly known as Beacon Stack, is not just a QR code generator. It is the passport to a dynamic and ever-evolving marketing journey. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your QR code game with Uniqode, where innovation meets simplicity. Sign in for a 14-day free trial. The link is in the description below. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel for all things related to QR codes. You are going to love it. Until next time, stay tech savvy. I'll see you soon.